Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. All right, so keeping up with the pumpkin spice theme for this fall, we're going to make a pumpkin spice espresso martini. Inspired by all you soccer moms out there. All right, here we go. First thing first, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of bourbon, and I'm using the Smoke Wagon out of Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a good bourbon, surprisingly good. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of Bailey's. We're going to go with a full ounce of the pumpkin spice syrup, right? Pumpkin spice syrup, you use pumpkin butter and equal parts water. Bring to a boil. We're going to go with a full ounce. You could just mix the pumpkin butter in this. Instead of this, just use like a tablespoon. It's more intense and it's kind of grainy a little bit. We're going to do a full espresso shot. This is fresh brewed. Next, I'm going to add it to a shaker cup. I just like using these because it locks. You don't get the spillage. You're going to pour this in a martini glass. It's going to be strained. Still got some coming. There we go. And there you have it, a pumpkin spice espresso martini. Cheers. That tastes like something out of the drive-thru with a little alcohol in it. A little alcohol. This is good. This is a good variation to an espresso martini. If you're tired of making these regular ones, get your pumpkin spice, right? Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers, guys.